It's been months and months since I've been to this Nike outlet. Is it worth it? Finally made it back to Nike outlet, Ontario Mills. Historically, this has been one of the more packed locations in Southern California. And of course, we got 40% off the back wall, so we gotta look for some steals and deals on the back wall. I'm so dumb, I forgot they have a little separate refurb section over here. This refurb section is so tiny compared to Redlands. I can't wait to go back there. I'll be there in a few hours. Got Penny 2s, $100. These are gently worn. Luca 2, slightly imperfect, $65. Zion 3s, $75. GT Hustle 2s, $102, a little bit much. Trainers right here, $65. That's a great price with 40 off. Trainers right here going for $65. Air Max 97s go for $93, slightly imperfect. Got one size 13s go for $60, slightly imperfect. Infinity Run 4s right here, $80. You get 40 off. You get LeBron 21 size 6, $105. Women's section has their own little refurb section here as well. This one's even tinier. They got Nike by You Metcon 6s, $90. Those are size 12 women's. Infinity Run 4s, $80. Pegasus Trail 5, Gore-Tex 102. Checking out the huge section, 11 plus for women. See if I can find some deals for myself. These are $130 for these. We saw these were so much cheaper. Where was that where we saw those so much cheaper? I forgot what location that was. $75 for the Jordan 2s right here with 40 off, not bad. Forces, all suede, $60. Size 10, 8.5 women, $60. 40% off, that comes out to what, $36. P6000, these are youth, go for $65. 65, 40 off. That comes out to under $40. Women's giant size, I was hoping for some runners or something. Nah, not really. Not really. Got these size 11 Forces right here in a weird colorway, 75. That's a pretty solid deal though. All right, I did get here like an hour and change after they opened, but this is where I got my Air Max Bacons. Oh wait, this is not where I got them, but this is the first place I saw them, in the aisles. So I do have to peruse all the aisles, make sure I didn't miss anything crazy. So check to see if they have a little heat wall. No, not really. All right, now we're on the back wall where you do get that 40% off. And most of the prices are already reduced, so this is where we get the biggest deals. Normally $95 for Air Max ones. These are 8.5, so these are what, $56, something like that. Yo. There's no way these are retail, huh? No way, huh? Why can't I find a size 10.5 either? What the hell, dude? This is $130 with a 40% off. I'm thinking about this one for my dad. Thinking about it. $130, 40 off. That's still like, what, $80? I just got one for like $50. All right, I just did the math with my calculator. $78. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them back. That's still a good deal though. $100 off. But I like stuff even cheaper. And for most people, that's a good enough deal. But I go to so many spots every week, I end up finding stuff anyway. So I'll take a gamble. We'll see. I already got him one. Romero 5s. Looks like retail minus 30%. Also, that also shows you guys, hey, you guys need to have the worker scan stuff. I did have a worker scan that, and it wasn't going for regular price. List price is $180. So yeah, significantly discounted. Like for stuff like this, I would ask. Because these Vomeros right here, look at this, $100. So $60 after the savings. Another one right here, $130 for these bad boys as well. These are a size 9 right here. Should I get this for my kiddo? Thinking about it. He wears a size 9. I kind of want him to wear stuff with wide toe boxes so he's not like me when he grows up. Forces, size 10, 95. A bunch of you guys are picking these up for hella cheap at the outlets. $110 for those. V2K runs. Have you guys been into these for $120? What's this right here? KD4s? I don't think I've seen this colorway. It's like a Dodgers colorway. Don't know what colorway that is. Does have that strap on it. $130 for these. Luca's right here. Look like regular price for the Vision lows. I thought those were Forces. Got dunks right here. These are down to 90. Even all the regular price or like the mediocre price stuff, pretty decent with the 40% off. Do you got the Rufus? Is that what these are called? What the hell? Yes. Rufus. Yeah, $80. Remember, you do get an extra 40 off all the prices I say. $79.99 for those. Oh, what's up with these 270s, which have been way overpriced everywhere? What are these dunks right here? I think these are the ones we've seen at Ross lately. But yeah, I would ask if you see stuff with no price tags here, I would ask. Stuff is a little overpriced here, but definitely worth asking. $90 for these. These got some nice materials on them. Colors kind of whatever. I saw these way cheap at East LA. Airspan 2s, these are down to 60. 160 for these, really? Really? What's up with these right here? What's up with these, size 12? Yeah, still not marked. Dang, I need a pair of these. I need a pair of these, man. Bigger sizes, kind of the same. Kind of the same old, nothing too crazy. Wait, this one right here is marked. This one is marked. Yeah, 130. It looks like the Invincible runs. All 130 here. Size 18. 150 for the KD4s. Is that entire rack of tech fleece right here that I see? 30% off, $95. Got multiple colorways. This is the older ones too. Does not have the stripe on it. These are going for 100. Well, the brown ones did have the stripe on it, like this one. These are going for 95. So the older ones 100. These are going for, the newer ones go for 95. I got them in all kinds of sizes. This green one right here, they don't have as many. $100 for these. It seems like the newer ones have been here a little bit longer. The ones with the stripe on them, because they're going for 95. Older ones go for 100. Remember, as I've mentioned, these stores are all about inventory management. When they have a ton of stuff, things get heavily discounted. When they don't have that much stuff, not discounted. That's kind of how they work. And usually that goes by seasons and just random shipments and stuff. $45, this is like a really nice material. $45, normally $100. Material's really nice on this. This is a dry fit. Pretty thin, but really nice material. They got one in a medium right here. They got one in a small. This thing is nice. Not a fan of that color though. Like, what would I wear that with? That's the only thing. $45, another 40% off. That is freaking crazy. Yeah, really nice premium material. $27 for that. That is a steal, but I just don't know what I would wear that with. But I do have, wait, I got some Kyrie's that color. I got a few things this color. Thinking about it. $27 for a $90 jacket. Not bad. Not bad. This is a size small right here. All right, took off that jacket, put on my, I think I paid like $27 for this tech fleece. It's like the recycled tech fleece. I forgot what it's called. Since we're here, I guess we'll talk about it. Got the smudge all over the camera. All the kids playing with it. You got the dunks on. What's it take? Like Take 5, or I forgot the name of these. It Takes 5 or something. But yeah, I got the undefeated dunks. And I'm wearing all black today, in and out like a ninja. I'm thinking about it. I don't really have this color of a hoodie. I don't think I have any light color hoodies or jackets. They're all dark color. And that's my point. Even when the Nike outlets or whatever, they still got deals. This jacket that I have is going to be, what, 70% off? Pretty crazy. $200 for this ACG. That's pretty crazy, dude. If you need to look extra preppy in a size XL, they got you right here. 110 for those. Like, what the hell? Who's going to wear that, really? Hoodie right here going for 40. Got a ton of t-shirts on this one. Let's go check the back wall. Let's go check the aisles. Decent number of aisles here. Of course, I got plenty of LeBron Next Gens. We've been seeing these at every outlet. $100 for those. And then got some of the budget signature basketball shoes. Got Witness 7s going for way too much. Zoom Freak 6. And then got Immortality 3s right here. 90 for these. Luka 3 Team Bank colorway. What the hell? The books, I don't think I've ever seen this one. Cracked leather, super soft right here, and then got the faux leather right here. Got the fake ones. Oh, these look pretty cool. Like a Halloween one or something. Got Nike Calm Slides, multiple colorways, $10 off retail. That's a pretty cool colorway. I got the mules right there, as well as the navy. I got a buttload of these P6000s. Prices going up and down. 100 seems a little bit high. I know some of you guys have gotten some huge steals on these. It's hella orange right here. And Vomero prices going down, down, down. I've seen some of you guys grab these for hella cheap. And also even the retail shops. Pretty much gotten them for these prices. I've seen this one as low as 60. Pegasus 2005. Is this when they changed the Jordan name as well to the years instead? I don't know. Because Pegasus has always been numbers, and then for a few years they did the years. Like these are the 2005s. Oh, for way too much. The hell is this? The Upturn SE? Got Zoom Air in the heel right here. Air Max 1s. Got some OGs right here. Another one. Got some Blazers. Got a couple of those. Got some Forces. Got a couple of these DNs, which keep going down in price. These 2017s keep going down as well. These 270s do not go down in price. I don't know, they keep selling. Got some full-length Air on this 2017. Love the full-length Air Max unit, man. I don't know why I love those so much. Got Dunks. Be patient on Dunks. They all going down in price. These right here, these are going for 90, 40 off, but we don't know which ones. Okay, these right here. They got a ton. Even at Ross nowadays, Air Max 90s in all leather. Got some all white Air Max 90s. Technically it says Wolf Gray. Where's Wolf Gray? Where? Show me the Wolf Gray. Is that the Wolf Gray on the heel? Is that? I don't know. They'd be confusing the hell out of me. This is Wolf Gray. We do got Forces. And then a few of these Lunar Roams right here. Flight Legacies. Why is this P6000 so far from the other ones? These Vomero 5s as well. They did not want to move all their shoes. Got some Blazer Lows. Lunar Roams going down, down, down. And then running shoes wise, not really finding the dopest stuff, to be really honest. We got Pegasus right here. At $100, they're just a little higher than I'd be willing to pay. I'd rather just pay a few more dollars for these right here than Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Invincible Run 4 is 110 for these. Checking out the women's section now. We got the R4 Shocks right here, $90. I just saw these cheap somewhere. Where the hell was that? Man, I'm getting all these places mixed up in my head. They're 90, 40 off. Dunks right here going for $95. Infinity Runs right here going for 80. These are duck boots. No, the Woodside Chukkas go for 70. $90 for these right here. Blazers, 5.5, $50. 9.5. These go for $60. Not seeing too much. Also check the big sizes once again, just see if I missed out on anything. Not really. Not really. All right, we're checking the aisles. We got a couple of Dunks. Women's section is just hella mediocre. 270s, a couple of Blazers, a couple of Air Max DNs, Air Max 90s, Stadium 90s. These are the ones I grabbed for like $35. I need to drop that off to my homie. Jordan 1, fluffy Calm Mules right here. Got a couple of Air Max 90s. This one is Summit White Smoky what? Mauve? It's smoky mauve? What the hell? What's going on right here? Alright, ain't nothing going on right there. Let's check out the gray school real quick. Got a couple of Jordan 2s, including the Python ones right here. By a couple, I mean a trio. Got people calling these the Gucci 2s or something like that. Christmas 2s. Got some of the Team J's, the Spizikes right here. The Spizike lows. Got the Westbrook Take 1 5s. And got a couple of other Team J's. More Team J's over here. Couple of mids. In this wild color right here. Oh, like I said, 3 different mids. And these 13s right here. Does have that reflective material, which I like. I don't know why I like that so much. I think that's about it though, man. I think that's about it. Question is, do I grab these or not? I'm gonna say, hey, depends on the line. I'll do it that way. I'll let fate decide. Oh my God, I just realized I need to return some shoes and I forgot to bring them again. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I really am dumb, dude. It's been like a month and I keep forgetting to bring them. God dang it. All right, $27, pretty solid deal. Now there's a huge line. I wouldn't have got it if this line was there. Oh look, 40% off those right there. Oh, that's the one that says love you forever or something. Oh snap, they're actually refilling those things right there. It's called Sumo Claw. Never heard of those. Those claw machines, such a brilliant way to make money. Just leave it there and then come check on it once a week. All right, do got Adidas outlet. Let's see what's up here. Adidas has been disappointing lately. I was like, I think one time I came here, they didn't even have a clearance section. They do today. I see some AEs up there. 2 for $40, that's their deal right now. 2 for $80 is their deal right now. 2 for $80, so you grab 2 of these, they're $40 each. Really? That one is a size 11. Grab 2 Ultra Boost for that price. Wow. They do have another one right here, so size 12 and a half. 2 AEs. You can grab 2 AEs for $40 each. That is insane. You can grab a couple of these for $80 each. I wonder if you can get just one for $50. I wonder. Started talking trash about Nike outlet. Then I found something dope. Then I started talking trash about Adidas outlet. Found something as well. Got 50% off, little section right here. This looks bootleg as hell. Definitely not commercial shelving. Yeah, $45 for NMDs. These campus right here down to $27.50 in the turbo green. Are we allowed to call that turbo green? A couple sizes of those. Got the pink ones right here. What do we call that? Rust pink. Are we allowed to do that as well? $70 for these, so $35. Those are multiple colors. Also got these gazelles going for $50. Some solid deals, man. Solid deals. Awful presentation, but solid price. That's all I care about. And then in the aisles, we do get the same mediocrity, which is just ridiculous. Which is crazy because even on the Adidas eBay website, we've been seeing way better deals. Like, what the hell? What the hell? Why wouldn't you sell it in person in the store instead of online? I thought that was kind of weird. These deals are pretty mediocre. These, like what are these? What the hell are these? The sub zones? What the hell? Got another Ultra Boost up there going for too much. Yeah, just a lot of generics. Messies right there going for $50. Samba Messies, that's actually a really good deal. Still tons and tons of generics. They got like the Stan Smiths. Is that the original? It looks different. It's like the Continentals or something, or the Power Phase, whatever. But yeah, I do got Gazelles, but yeah, mostly generic stuff, man. They had the Samoas. They had the Samoas on the Adidas eBay site for $25. $25. It was this colorway. Wait, I did walk by these Ultra Boost 5X. That's actually a really freaking good deal. Stack height reminds me of the Hokas, but these look hella comfortable, especially for what, about $100? And even the Pure Boost 5s right here, that stack height looks like it's gone up a little bit. Looks pretty freaking comfortable. It's light boost. I don't know the difference between light boost and regular boost. Maybe it's a little lighter, less heavy. I don't know. $60 for these. Not too shabby, I guess. They just look ugly. And even in the women's section, pretty mediocre. And they got a lot of generics, Vantage 2.0, stuff like that. Like, really? But even in these mediocre times, like, they got more Ultra Boost right there for freaking 30% off retail. But then they got Ultra Bounce. Like, really? They're not even the Ultra Bounce. Ultra Dream, what the hell is that? But yeah, they got stuff. But the fact that even in these mediocre trips, we found those AEs for hella cheap. Also found this for hella cheap as well. Man, still worth it. Still worth it. $27, normally $90. All right, man. Let's wrap it up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Do all that good stuff. We out, man. We out. Thanks for making it to the end, fools.